Hello everyone, this is a training video for the software that is responsible for the crane operations. In this video, I will explain everything that you need to know in order to use this software, what happens if you encounter an error, or whatever comment or concern that you may have along the way. As you can see, I'm just going to go over the general features of this website, this software, and then I'm going to demo it for you guys to see what exactly you're supposed to do. We have two modes of operations. We have transfer and we have balance. By default, we are on transfer page, meaning moving containers off and onto the ship. But you can easily go to the balance ship by clicking on this button, and then you are in the balance page. Then you can go back to onload and offload or transfer mode. Just clicking, and you can see just by using a click, you can toggle back and forth between the modes. The other buttons are very self-explanatory. You have the choose file button that chooses the manifest that you're trying to work on. The log form, you will use that when you want to clock in, first thing in your shift. Operator comment will be used whenever you want to make an observation, you've seen something and you want to report it. You just click on it, you would comment, and then you would write your comment and you'd click on the button. And then this will be the last button, onload and offload for the transfer page, and also check balance for the balance page. And those were actually the buttons that do the calculation that you will need in order to do the instructions that you're told. Now, to the exciting part, let's say you get an email. First of all, let's say you get to your shift. The first thing that you have to do, always remember that, is you have to log. You click on the log form, you type in your name, and bam, there we go, you're checked in now. You just click on clock in, and then that's it. Second of all, you have to realize that let's say you forgot to upload a manifest here, and then you try to click on all of the offload button to do the calculation. This would give you an error. So you can't do that. You have to make sure that your manifest is uploaded, unless you can't get past this step. All right, to the good part. You open up your email, you go to the email, and then you see the captain of the ship has sent you 2 emails. So you have the manifest transfer and the manifest balance. You click on this first. You download it onto your desktop, and then you download it here, and then bam. You go to the software, you click on choose file, you find the file, it's in desktop, you click open, and there we go. You have the ship grid over here. Now at this point, your captain tells you to unload cat. Also make sure that you, so if you can hover over these containers that are not unused, they will be highlighted red, and also there's a description that pops up like a gray button that if the name is kind of lengthy and it can't fit in the box, the full name will be displayed on the bottom there. So once you have checked that everything is fine, you can continue working. So you click on the cat to move it to the remove container list. Now this thing would remove cat off of the ship, that's what you want. So you check that everything is fine, you click on unload and offload, and bam, the calculation is done. It will tell you an estimated time of how long the operation will take. And the most important part for you, you click on the show instructions, and it will give you a step-by-step list of what you have to exactly do to get this job done. So what you do is you read the first line, you do it, you move the crane from where it's supposed to, where it currently is, to where it's supposed to go, and then you move cat, and then you move crane back to where it was. So each step that you do, you click on this, it means I've done this. So you do this, and then you do the last one, and then you're finished, and this button will pop up, save and download. Make sure that you don't forget to click this. Once you click this, it would have a reminder for you to email back the updated manifest to the kept. At that point, a window automatically pops up that tells you to download the updated manifest, the archive manifest, to whatever you want. Usually my suggestion is to download it on desktop. It's easier to see. You just save it and there we go. Now, let's say this time you want to, the same ship case, same manifest. Let's say you want to add something in here. All you got to do here is, instead of clicking on this thing to remove it off the ship, you want to add it. So you click on the add container. Let's name the container sheep with a weight of 5555. Then you add it, and bam, there we go. We have sheep there. Once that's checked and you understand, and then you have checked that everything is working fine and the final result is what it's supposed to be, you click on onload and offload. It gives you an estimated time. And as you can see, the ship width is updated to the final result. So it would be kind of helpful for you. Same thing, you click on show instruction, you do what you're supposed to do, and then bam, you're done. I'm not gonna go over this step again. Now, let's say you get another email from your boss. This time the email tells you to do a manifest balance, and the file is given. Now you click on the balance ship page. Same thing, you choose the file. Notice we don't have the add and remove container list on the right side, which makes sense. This is a balancing. Click on the ship case. The manifest that you downloaded it was ship case 1. Open. Same thing, exact same thing. This time you click on check balance. You click on check balance. Now the algorithm will tell you if this thing is balanceable or not. In this case, it is balanceable, so it will show you a balanced ship. If it was not balanceable, it will show you a sift. But the other parts are exactly the same. You click on it, it will tell you an estimated time, give you show instructions. You do all the instructions, but you notice that while you're doing the second step, you notice that the dog container has a dent in it. So all you have to do is you click on operator comment, you tell it what the comment is, what the observation was. You would say dog container has a dent on the, for example, left side. And then you comment. It will tell you that it has been logged, and then you're good to go. And then after the thing is done, you have done all the operations necessary. You again click on save and download. Same things happen here. You save it and then bam, you're done. After that, you don't need to clock out. And then that's it. That's basically it. You can quickly get used to it. This is a very user-friendly software. Thanks for your time.